Imagine stepping into a sleek chamber in New York, and in a flash you're under Tokyo's neon lights. No airports, no jet lag, just instant arrival. This is the promise of teleportation, a world without distance. The idea was born in science fiction. Think Star Trek's transporter. Beam me up, Scotty. We dream of dematerializing in one place and reappearing somewhere else, perfectly intact. It's the ultimate shortcut, a way to conquer space and time. Science fiction makes it look easy: scan, convert to energy or data, reassemble at the destination. The world would shrink, breakfast in Paris, dinner in Sydney, borders would blur, and even Mars could be just a step away. This vision has inspired generations of dreamers and scientists. But what does teleportation really mean? In fiction it's flawless, unless the plot needs a malfunction. In reality, it would reshape civilization, economies, and our sense of presence. The allure is undeniable. Boundless freedom, instant exploration. But is it just a fantasy? Could science ever make it real? The dream is powerful, but the reality is far more complex. Let's find out what it would actually take. To understand real teleportation, we must dive into the quantum world. Here, scientists have achieved quantum teleportation, not of people, but of information. Using quantum entanglement, two particles become linked no matter the distance. Change one, and the other instantly reflects that change. To teleport a quantum state, you measure a third particle and one of the entangled pair. This creates new data, which you send to the other location. The recipient uses this data to transform their particle into a perfect replica of the original. The state is transferred, not the particle itself. It's like a cosmic fax machine, not a Star Trek transporter. Scientists have teleported quantum states over hundreds of kilometers. It's a stunning proof of quantum mechanics' weirdness. But nothing physical moves, only information. The original isn't destroyed and rebuilt, only its quantum soul is copied. Quantum teleportation is real, but it's a far cry from human travel. The leap from photons to people is enormous. What would it take to teleport a person? You'd need to scan every atom in your body, about 7 octillion in total, not just their positions, but their exact quantum states. The data required would dwarf all information ever created by humanity. Scanning with such precision would destroy the original body. You'd be reduced to a torrent of data, your blueprint. This data would need to be transmitted somehow to the destination. Even at light speed, it's a monumental challenge. Any error, a single misplaced bit, could be catastrophic. At the destination, a machine would reassemble you atom by atom, using raw materials. The result, a person physically identical to you, with your memories and thoughts. But would that person truly be you? The process is more like copying than moving. The original is gone, a new version steps out. Teleporting a human is a technical and philosophical minefield. Here's the big question. Is the teleported person really you, or just a perfect copy? The original is destroyed, a new consciousness begins. This echoes the Ship of Theseus. If you replace every part, is it still the same ship? Our bodies replace atoms constantly, yet we feel continuous. Teleportation replaces everything at once. The new person remembers your life, feels like you, but your original consciousness is gone. Is identity just information, or something deeper? If consciousness is more than a pattern, teleportation is a kind of death. If not, it's just a high-tech way to travel. Science can't answer this, only you can decide what makes you, you. The ghost in the machine remains a mystery. The dream of instant travel is thrilling, but the challenges are immense. Quantum teleportation shows information can move, but not matter. Teleporting a human would require impossible technology and unimaginable energy. Even if we solve the science, the question of identity remains. Would you trust a machine to copy your consciousness? Would you risk your original self for instant travel? The choice is deeply personal, about what it means to be human. The final frontier isn't just space, but our own sense of self. Would you step into the teleporter? The answer lies